All right, guys. So the shock drop with the 11s, right, just happened, and people are getting their cool gray 11s recalled, and all of this stuff is going on, right? So for me, my Nike, my Jordan, my release craziness started way before the cool gray 11 shock drop.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
When the royalties dropped, you guys, I thought I was on point. I thought I was gonna go ahead, get the royalties, and be able to simply just say, okay, look, because I had 3 different sites. I had Foot Action, I actually had 4. I had Foot Action, I had Foot Locker, I had Dick's Sporting Goods, and then I had the sneakers app. So I thought at least one of these avenues would give me the shoes. 7 o'clock hit, I hit all of my avenues. Boom, 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 boom. First place I hit is Dick's Sporting Good. Reserve the size 12. Boom, get it, locked it in, put it in the cart. It was done, finished, finito. I got a W, big W out the gate. I don't even got to go to the sneakers app, really. If I go to the sneakers app, then that's a double up.
Okay, Mrs. Puff, what's my final score?
6.
Woo! And how many do I need to pass?
6.
Ooh.
100.
What?
600. You need 600 to pass. You got 6.
Do y'all understand that they took the shoes out of my cart and canceled my order? Dick's Sporting Goods took the shoes out of my cart and canceled my order. I got the confirm email. We're all ready to go. And then I got, we've canceled your order email for no reason. Now, obviously, they sold the shoes that I just bought. They sold the shoes that I just bought. So this is my consolation prize. Let's see what's in here. What are these?
What are those?
Ooh. It's a Jordan box.
It says it's a 4Y.
Says size is 4Y. What shoe
Jordan
is that?
12 Retro.
Uh-oh, it's a Retro 12 GS. The gold, see, that's my favorite. The gold embroidery on the box. That never gets old. So now, what
I have
do
no
we
comment
have
on that.
here? The 4Y royalty. And for starters, look at the gold on the tongue.
Does that say TW? I don't know what the bottom. Oh, it's probably 23, huh?
TWO, and then the number 3.
Oh.
So the gold accents. You guys know what? On the GS, the little aglets aren't metal.
Ooh.
They're plastic. I don't know if it's like that on the men's size, but on the OG 12s, that's metal. And this isn't metal. This is plastic. But look at the stitching on the inside. That isn't bad. And then look at the
Bump.
2-3 on the back. It's good quality leather. Yeah, it's good quality leather on the upper part.
Look,
But-
ooh, look at the bottom at the top. Got the Jordan sign.
Yeah. But I'm noticing all of the, I don't know if you guys can see the glue. You see the glue spots? So that right there, the glue spots, and then on this side, the glue spots. The whole bottom sole of the shoe, the glue spots are crazy. I don't necessarily know. If these were mine, if I would appreciate that. But the Royalty 12's in hand, I haven't seen the men's size, but overall, these get a 6 out of 10 for me. Let's look at the other shoe. The replacement laces that makes them look almost identical to the taxis, and those are the 12's that I'm more accustomed with. But when we look at this shoe, can you see? So you see the glue spots on the toe box?
What does that say on the gold part? Oh, Jumpman.
And then again, now that it's closer, you guys can see the plastic aglets. But I guess when it's size 4Y, you don't necessarily need the metal. I would appreciated it, but the glue spots are crazy. Do you guys see the defect on the inside of the 3? It's like paint splatter on the inside of the 3. You see that? That's interesting. Interesting quality from Jordan Brand on these ones. This is what 4Y Retro 12's in the Royalty colorway looks like. What do you guys think? Scale of 1 to 10, I still give them a 6. They get a C plus for me, especially for how much. Look, the girl size and the Royalties are 140, right? The men's size are 190. If you're spending that much money on a shoe, in my mind, you would be getting the best quality that Jordan Brand has to offer, right? If the shoe is selling out in seconds and all of this stuff is going on in the shoe game. Now, granted, like I told you guys, I'm new to it, but I just have the old reference for the shoes. Like, for one, they came quality. From top to bottom, they came quality leather, quality materials, less manufacturer defects, stuff like that. And then over time, the price has increased, right? So whereas something may have been 170 before, now it's 190. If something may have been 190, now it's 220, 230, so on and so forth. So in my mind, when you increase the price, you're increasing not only supply and demand, you're increasing allocation so everybody can get access to the shoes that they really want, but you're also increasing the quality materials on the shoes. So they have a good weight to them. Overall, they're fly. It's a nice shoe. But I guess for me, I would have wanted a little more. All right, guys. Thanks for tapping in. We appreciate you. Please, 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 before you go, if you got to this part, man, click the thing down below and subscribe to your boy. Man, we going on a journey. Subscribe so you can be at the beginning of the journey with everyone else. Because we're not stopping here. We're going to continue. So you're at the beginning. We would appreciate it if you like, share, subscribe. It helps us out a ton. All right, guys. Take care.